Main Too Rich really quick says if you can go over code violations really quick. So how are you pulling your code violations?
So, and a few other cities have it online. So you can go to Google and type in your city code violations or open records request. So you may want to start out with open records request first, and that should be under code enforcement that you're going for. And you request a list of the properties for a certain amount of time. So I would go back, if it's your first time, go back 6 months. If you then do it month after month. San Antonio has a link where you can sign up and get them to your email every time they have a new one. Other cities are different, like Houston doesn't have that set up. And then, well, after I get those code violations, usually it takes 2 to 3 days if you have to email them. If you don't get it by that time, just make sure you call them, code enforcement, and asking them if, how long do you need to wait? Me, it's usually 2 or 3 days when we had email, but San Antonio actually added it to the public library under open records request because that was requested so often. But most cities, you do have to still do an email request.
Okay.
And on code violations also, you sort for dangerous premises. This is important because you can have like 15,000 code violations in one city. You're not going after every single one of them. So you want to go after the code violations that vacant, they're securing a vacant structure, or it's something about overgrown vegetation, anything like dangerous premises. And those are the ones that you're going to sort for. And then I actually, after sorting that, do the property research to see how many are they back taxes. And I have a way to do like a portfolio search. So it only takes me a few minutes to get everybody's back taxes off that same spreadsheet.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.